one of the freakiest things that I learned, I had no idea. All the World War II bombers were designed all before World War II. Like that just blew my mind, because I know there's a transformation here, and the B-29 in particular is a modern looking bomber, right? It looks a lot like a B-52. It looks like something we could see today. And to think like, no, that was designed in 1939.
Yep.
What? Right. And
Yep.
then they could build more systems into it. And so the advantage of doing it this way was that the manufacturers were bought in. They were bought in emotionally. They weren't forced, to use a design that was rammed down their throats. It was their design. They knew their production capabilities, their factory designs, the stuff that's all interesting to me as an ops guy, right?
Yep.
And so they could go, we know how to do this. We know how to organize production to maximize the output here, right? And so this very, very different approach. And that's how America was able to mass produce tanks, planes, aircraft carriers, Liberty ships, right? There's another fellow mentioned here too, named Henry Kaiser, who came out of New York, went west, ended up running a construction cartel that built the Hoover Dam, and then
just a small little project.
just a little project, that went on for years, and ended up being a shipbuilder and building all these Liberty ships. So some just completely different methodologies, and there's a Drakenafel is a guy who runs that's the name of his channel. He's a British guy who does naval histories and does a lot of looks into what American naval thinking was during the interwar period.